It's 80 degrees out and the chickens are taking a dust bath.
Every day,
Everyone is huddled underneath the shade tree.
in the morning as we wake, in all the love that we create.
They spend a lot of the day doing this.
It's just you and me, in our bed under the trees, dreaming of all the things to be. It's you that I adore. The world is so much more when my hand is in yours. I wanna grow old with you.
They are enjoying themselves.
I wanna grow old with you.
It feels really peaceful out here.
I wanna grow old with you. Every night I look up at the sky. It's a star like
It's important to let your chickens have access to dirt.
Every night you make me feel alive.
It's a natural way to clean themselves. A dirt bath.
So much light in your eyes.
They are enjoying their expanded coop.
The world is so much more when my hand is in yours. I wanna grow old with you. 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 I love growing old with you.
Junior is curious about the camera.
Growing old with you. I love growing old.
Thank you everyone for supporting my channel.
I love growing old with you.
Remember, stay safe, stay strong.
I love growing old with you.